So world rank 43 for Kusuma Stuti and career win loss of 108 to 80. And 2014 win loss is 4-3. Not a very happy year for her so far. There she is playing the second singles for Indonesia against this girl who's, as I said, highly ranked, top 5 player at one time, world ranking 6 now. Bae Yoon-ju, 168 to 97. And in 2014 she has got 14 wins against 7 losses. So that's the two match officials. Kelvin Martin, the umpire for this match, chair umpire, and Pokorny Ivanka, the service judge. And Bae Yoon-ju has really been having it very easy against Kusuma Stuti. 4-0 in head-to-head. And the last one at the Yonex India Open 2012, which was played in this very stadium, she beat her opponent 21-12, 21-9. So the match really expected to go her way. Korea already leading 2-0 in this match, in this tie so far.
Ready to play?
Odds-on favorite for this victory in this match here, in the third match, which could well put Korea 3-0 up and leader of the group, which obviously means that Korea will avoid the other top teams in fray, that is China, Japan, and perhaps India, if India qualifies, already qualified for quarterfinals.
Ladies and gentlemen, on my right, Indonesia, represented by Maria Febe Kusumastuti. On my left, Korea, represented by Bae Yoon-ju. Indonesia to serve. Love all, play.
So Bae Yoon-ju taking her time to get settled, and we are on our way. That stays in. The last clash between the two in this very stadium 2 years back, and 21-12, 21-9 to Bae.
Service over.
She knows this stadium well, Bae Yoon-ju. She has played here a couple of times. Well, she was not ready for that break. A tight looking drop, but it never came off from Kusuma Stuti. Early stages yet in this game. The top-notch Korean still to settle down. 2-all. Pushing that nicely on the net area. It's the push which got to the point. Well, not a service that she will be proud of. Kusuma Stuti, middle of the court, not even reaching the first baseline. And that invited trouble. So Bae Young-joo, Trupti, clearly the favorite for this match.
Yes, of course, looks like the Korean girl is the favorite. If you see, they have a contrast game. Bae plays a lot more attacking compared to Febe. Febe, who returns a lot of shuttle. And at the same time, Bae has some very good strokes, deceptive strokes, which I'm sure will bother Febe.
Service over. 4-all.
Well, the Korean has had some great victories over all the top players of the world. So she will not be overawed by either the stage or the player in front.
Also, at the same time, Korea is leading 2-0, which will definitely give her also confidence, and I'm sure she is also going to go there and play all out.
That's right, she wants to ensure that Korea is up 3-0. They're already 2-0 up in this tie. Well, that has been called in, and again she's not happy with the decision. Second time that she's disputing the call of this lines judge on the baseline. Well, difficult to say, looks good to us. Almost on the line there, I think. Nicely played, cross-court side, rolling of the wrist, gets the shuttle in. That's Rexy Manaki nodding his head away.
5.
Talking about Rexy, he's such a jovial person, always smiling, always laughing around, cracking jokes, dancing.
Except when he used to be on the court, he was dead serious. And he won a lot of titles, big titles.
5.
Absolutely, I think that is very important when you're on the court. You be focused, concentrate on the match.
Rexy Manaki and Ricky Subagja, the great combination in
Service over.
end of 90s, early 2000.
7.
And he speaks fair amount of English as well. You know, he was a coach of England for some time.
Yes, he has coached the English team, also coached the Malaysian team for a while, and now he's back to Indonesia again.
Moving ahead slowly but surely, equalizing here.
7-all.
Bae Young-joo, she still has to get, you can see on her face, she still has to get into top gear. She's getting there. Sometimes difficult to motivate yourself to play fast and hard right from the start. Nicely played, toss there, keeps it inside the court.
Bey has been in the circuit for a long time, but in between she was down with some injuries, and where she was completely off badminton. Now she has done a brilliant comeback since then.
Nine, 7. Ten,
There Bey
7.
taking the charge, leading by 10-7.
Well, she has to keep the shuttle in play, which she is
11-7
not doing,
Vancouver.
and leaving and allowing the Korean to lead 11-7 in the first game. So, Kusuma Statuti getting the
4-2,
last minute
20 seconds.
advice, and here the
4-2,
Korean
20
coach
seconds.
explaining what is to be done to the champion, world number 6, Bae Yunju. And this is Febe Maria Kusuma Stuti. Well, 4-0 in head-to-head, Trupti.
11-7.
She's taken her time to settle down. She won the last time the two played was in this very hall at the India Open 2012, where the Korean won an easy 21-12, 21-9 victory.
Yes, for Bey, the key thing would be to play more attacking strokes, play more deceptive
12,
strokes.
7.
That is what the strategy should be against Fei, because she is a person who will try to return, try to get into those longer rallies, which Bey shouldn't allow her to do so.
Well, slowly but surely she's moving ahead,
13-7.
and the point before we saw a lovely forehand flick shot landing on the line on the deep side. And now a rash of errors from this frail looking Indonesian girl, Kusuma Stuti. Oh yes, well judged. The Indonesian trying to catch her on the deep backhand area, not succeeding.
This is how the Bey has to put the pressure on Febe, and I think she's doing very well. We can see she's got a comfortable lead since they had equalized on 7-all.
Service over.
Well, that down the line hit
8,
from the
50.
overhead area not really coming through, allowing the Indonesian to get back 1 point. 8-15. And the second time hitting it out in the same area, this time a full-blooded smash. Trying that angle there. 9-15. Third negative point. Clearly no pressure there, but she loses that point as well.
Yes, she got to keep a check at this pointer now.
And one more.
11-50.
Well, the jubilant Indonesians, they're happy that they've got 4 points on a trot. 7-11 here on the scoreboard. It's a bit of a lapse of concentration here on the Korean. Well, 4 points she was gifted over and the 5th came by luck. But that she is now very much back in contention. Febe Kusumastuti. And you can't do much when the shuttle is rolling off the tape. Very difficult to get a point or a return.
Service over.
Finally that curse is over. She
16,
gets
12.
on the same area, this time by the cross-court side. On the forehand. And gets one back. 16-12.
Service over. 13-16.
Well, a bit error prone now. But I suppose Trupti that she'll be confident of the outcome of this match.
Yes, could be because as we've seen that she's had a comfortable win in the earlier meeting.
Service over.
She just needs to avoid those silly errors which she's
13.
making in patches.
Well, controlling now. 18-13.
13.
Last 2 strokes, the last 2 points really have been very good. That crisp cross court. Oh yes, well judged. Just an inch out of her
13.
forehand flank there. 19-13. Back into a winning mode. Well, no answer there from
20, game point, 30.
Kusumastuti. So the match point coming up for Korea. Game point, rather. And the game quite at ease now. Baeju Jung, and 21-13 is the score. (21-13). So a win here at quite an easy way. Middle of the court there, middle of the game there, Trupti, there was some hesitation from Baeju Jung as she lost 4 points on a trot from 15-7, allowing the Indonesian to come to 11-15 and 12-15. But then finally, Ellen prevailed and she ran away with the game 21-13.
Yes, at that point, I think she made a correct decision of being more alert, because otherwise Febe was getting much closer to her, and then it would, give unnecessary pressure. So she made that she became more cautious, more alert at the right time, and wrapped up the game 21-13.
Second game, love all, play. Service over. 1 love. Service over.
Very beautifully played by Bay.
1-all.
Well anticipated toss.
Service over.
A bit of shout from Febe. Looks like she's come a little charged up in the game. Wants to start off with a little bit of aggression.
Oh yes, nice timed smash that one. But of course she had the shuttle in middle of the court. Just one step back and went for that winner there. Febe Kusumastuti.
The body language of Febe is looking a lot better than the first game. And there she goes, leading for 1.
Well, still early days yet in the second game, because we know what Bae Jae-young is capable of. She's trying to get a length on those tosses.
Service over.
And that's the one that went outside.
2-4.
That's the first one. And this is the one that went outside for the Indonesian. And another one. You can never put a top class player down for a long time, and this lady here on your screen is one of the finest exponents of badminton in the world. I think you have to count her amongst the top end of the world. Trupti with the 3 Chinese, Saina Nehwal and Bae Jae-young of Korea. She's right up there.
4-all.
Moving her opponent around now, and she's getting the upper edge. 5-4 to the Korean. No control there, no execution which was good enough.
4.
Yes, absolutely. Febe is lost. She started off very well in the second game. Started off with a good attitude, showing a lot of aggression. But I think she's lost it again.
7-4.
Losing the plot there, Febe Kusumastuti. 4-1, and now the Korean is having 6 points on a trot, leading 7-4. Slightly outside the draft, taking the bird on the far side of the court.
5-7.
Better service, trying to play that inside out on the backhand there. Korean losing that point. So bit of problem there for her as the Indonesian now closes in again. Good reflexive return there. Smash coming on her body, but she was
7-all.
ready. Just ensure that it goes over the tape. And the Korean not ready for that. 7-all. Well, that one without any control. She's playing on the better side as far as the draft is concerned on the court. Well, that's what is required from her. Keeps it in the court. And the toss just falling right on the second baseline. She's not giving up yet. She knows that she lost the first game rather easily, 13-21. But she won't give up without a fight.
Yes, now Febe is trying to make Bay play her kind of game, get into some good rallies.
Service over.
That was very well anticipated by Bay. She was right there after
9-8.
giving a brilliant push at the back by Febe. I don't think there would have been any other return expected.
Service over.
That half smash came in because she caught the shuttle middle of the court. Loose return by Beju Jung. And the drums are rolling. I think they've got an official drummer there with them. Well prepared.
Could be because he's definitely doing it in a very nice rhythm.
There he is again. Definitely I have not seen this man play. And he's there. And they're full of drums. Indonesians really have come prepared for this
Service over.
badminton festival. They love their
10,
badminton
9.
very much like Indians love their cricket.
Yes, absolutely. And if you've noticed, Sanjay, in Indonesia or even in Malaysia and all, whenever you go, the stadiums are completely packed with all these drums and all the cheering going around. They make the atmosphere very lively.
Absolutely, and here it is, the Korean making the atmosphere lively for her team,
11,
leading 11-9 in the
think
second
about-
after winning the first 21-13. Well, Bae Joo Young now 11-9.
Court 2, 20
At one stage she was
seconds.
down 4-1.
Court 2, 20 seconds.
And allowed Kusuma Stuti to come back into the court, into the game. But then she got her game back, got her rhythm back. She now is 2 points up.
Eleven, 9, play. Service over. 10, 11. Service over.
Very beautifully played by Bae.
12.
That's kind
10.
of a deception what she needs to use against Bae. Bae looking
10.
charged up, making movements a little more faster, pushing it away, displacing Bae completely.
Fourteen, 10.
Well played inside again, and Yoon Joo Bae on her way.
10.
Sanjay, we've always noticed that even in the first game, whenever Bae was coming closer to Bae would really up her pace and suddenly take those 4 to 5 points lead.
That's right.
16, 10.
Nicely played, and she gets the point. Well, the point coming from that forehand whip that she played on the smash. And that's, in fact, Trupti, the lady on the left is Kusumawati Sarvenda that we were talking about. And assisting her is Marliv Menaki, younger brother of Rexy. The Menaki brothers did duty for Indonesia for a long, long time. There he was.
18, 10.
And Sarvenda, I remember our own Manmita Bish beat her once when Sarvenda was world number 2. I think it was a Malaysian Open at Ipoh. That is in. So 19
10.
point to Korea now. She's getting her points as she wants. Match point coming up.
20, match point, 10.
No problems there at all. Little bit of problem in the earlier half of this first game, but when she settled down, Bae Yoon Jo, she has now run away with this match. And that's the match. What a delectable and delicate stroke that was to get her that opening, and then finally she plunked that one on the cross-court side of the net to play and win this match. So there she is, Bae Yoon Jo taking Korea
Match
to
won by
3-0.
Korea, 21,
Unbeatable
13,
lead, and that's in
21, 10.
31 minutes, 21-13, 21-10 to Korea.